Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this Redgear wireless gain controller to Google TV streamer 4K device. See, here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable. And here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. See, this is a Bluetooth receiver of this Redgear gain controller. I am going to connect this Bluetooth receiver to Google TV streamer 4K device. Let me connect this Bluetooth receiver to this USB hub. Okay, done. See, this is the final setup. So here you can see the Bluetooth receiver. I need to pair this Redgear gain controller with this receiver. For that, we need to press and hold this home button. Let me press and hold this home button. See, done. It's paired. Let me test it. See, it's working. Let me set these settings. See, let me go back. So this way we can connect this wireless Redgear gain controller to Google TV streamer device. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.